Let's talk about the 2.07 quiz. Here's an example for number 1, something like you'll see on number 1 of the quiz. So we're going to start slowly heading into proofs, but we're going to do that by just making some statements and practicing justifying them. So if I say the statement, if x equals 3, then 10x equals 30. You need to first think about what did I do to get from my hypothesis to my conclusion? Well, I multiplied both sides by 10. What property tells me I can do that? The multiplication property of equality. That tells me that if I multiply both sides by the same number, the statement will still be equal. So I multiply both sides by 10, and I still have a true statement. So this one would be B. Number 2 is a similar thought here. It says, which property justifies the statement, if 2x equals x plus 4, then x plus 4 equals 2x. So what happened here? We switched the order. If you look, it's almost like looking in the mirror. This is the symmetric property of equality. All it is I switched the two sides of the equal sign. That's the symmetric property of equality. If I had said 2x equals 2x, that would be the reflexive property of equality. That would be something equal to itself. But if I'm just switching those two things, the order, that is the symmetric property of equality. And now here there are 3 different video links to help you. So if you're watching this video, you're going to want to go back to the PDF that was file transferred to you and view these links accordingly. And that way you can actually go through and use these to practice. So make sure you save the PDF. If you for some reason don't see it, don't have it, let me know and I can get it to you. But you should have the PDF for the 2.06 and 2.07 quiz help transferred to you, and these will help you just practice completing quizzes, completing proofs, and seeing how they work, and this will help you with numbers 3 through 5. Thanks, and good luck on your quiz.